Hello, dear students of class 8. How are you? Welcome to online class. I think you are staying at home and keeping safe. Today, at the beginning of my lesson, I would like to welcome all of you. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. I hope you wear in masks properly and maintaining social distance. Today, I am here with you. This is Rezal Karim, assistant teacher of Gopt Fatarat Muslim Model High School. Dear students, today I am going to place a class before you from English for Today book, English first paper, EFT, class 8. So, take your book out of the bag and open it at page number 20. Now, I am writing the title of today's lesson on the board, and you can write with me in your exercise book. Let's have a look our today's lesson. Unit 3. Lesson on health and hygiene. Health and hygiene. Dear learners, our today's topic is health and hygiene. Okay. Dear learners, let's see the learning outcomes of today's lesson. Dear learners, if you follow the class attentively, after finishing the class, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading, listen for information, ask and answer questions, write the answers to questions, practice sounds, write paragraphs and compositions. Dear learners, this is the learning outcomes of today's lessons. Dear learners, let's learn some meaning. Dear learners, let's learn some keywords with meaning. First one is disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. First word is disease. Disease means sickness. Disease means sickness or illness of body or mind, or illness of body or mind. Next word, essential. Essential. Essential means inevitable. Essential means inevitable or absolutely necessary or absolutely necessary. Next word, concentrate. 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 Concentrate means focus. Concentrate means focus. Focus or centralize. Focus, concentrate means focus or centralize. Next word, possession. Possession. Possession means ownership. Ownership or authority. Possession means ownership or authority. Dear students, repeat me. Disease means sickness or illness of body or mind. Essential means inevitable or absolutely necessary. Concentrate means focus or centralize. Possession means ownership or authority. Dear learners, I hope you have understood the meaning, and I hope the meanings are clear to all. Dear learners, look at and talk about the picture. Ask and answer the following questions. First question is, how often do you wash hands? Dear learners, how often do you wash hands? Okay, I wash my hands. Okay, I wash my hands. I wash my hands before and after having. I wash my hands before and after having meals, after using toilet, and thus any dirt. Next question, why do you wash hands? Why do you wash hands? I wash my hands to keep myself clean and germ free. We wash our hands to keep clean or germ free. Dear students, read the following phrases about health. Now I am reading loudly. Health is the condition of our body and mind. Health is the condition of our body and mind. It may be good or bad. Good health means healthy body free from disease. It is essential for everyone to lead a happy life. If we are not in good health, we cannot concentrate on any activity in our life. A proverb goes, dear students, we know a proverb goes, health is wealth. HEALTH, health is wealth. Health is wealth. Dear learners, a proverb goes, health is wealth. It means health is equal valuable. Health is wealth means it is equal valuable as gold or any other personal possessions. We may have vast wealth. Dear learners, we may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. Go to the next page, page number 22. To keep ourselves healthy, we have to do certain things. We have to take a balanced diet. We must exercise regularly to keep our body fit for work. There is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Dear students, there is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So, we should not keep late hours. We should go to bed early at night and rise early in the morning. Peace of mind is another condition for good health. Dear student, peace of mind is another condition for good health. So, we must not worry over small things of life. So, we must not worry over small things of life. Dear students, this is our today's text. Dear learners, now MCQ. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Here are 4 questions given. 1 question is correct answer and another 3 answer is distractor. First one is health means the condition of. First one is health means the condition of. Health means the condition of our body, our mind. Number C, our body and mind, our environment. The answer is health means the condition of our body and mind. Health means the condition of our body and mind. Number 2, a healthy person is one. A healthy person is one who number A physically or mentally sound. B, eats good food, has a lot of wealth. Number D is overweight. The correct answer is a healthy person is one who is physically or mentally sound. Is physically or mentally sound. Number 2 answer is physically and mentally sound. Mentally sound. A healthy person is one who is physically and mentally sound. Number C, we need to eat. Number C, we need to eat a rich food, balanced food, little food, lot of food. The correct answer is we need to eat. Correct answer is B. Balanced food. Balanced food. Okay. Number 4. The phrase to keep late hours. To keep late hour means number 1, to go to bed late, to wake up late in the morning. Number C, to do things late always. Number D, to be late for the class. The correct answer is to keep late hours means correct answer is B. To wake up late in the morning. To wake up late in the morning. Late in the morning. Okay, dear students, this is the MCQ today's lesson. Dear learners, now I will give a homework. Now I will give a homework from this lesson. Our today's homework is write a paragraph about good health. So, dear students, our today's homework is write a paragraph about good health. Dear learners, no more today. So this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thanks for getting in touch with me. We are going to meet again our next class. Stay at home, stay safe, and follow the rules given by the government. So, thank you. Goodbye.